I was doing makeup in a store and this girl was working. I said, "You have the most beautiful teeth I've ever seen." And she said, "Oh, I went to Turkey." But I said, "Where did you go in Turkey?" And she showed me. She had her whole mouth. She was showing me her before. She was showing me her afters. Even you can't really trust like TikTok or anything. I saw it on her, and she literally had the most perfect teeth I've ever seen. And I said that before next summer, I will have a new smile. Well, I'm definitely more confident, so I'm gonna show it off more. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's right around the corner from the clinic. We walked here. It's iconic. He said people come here just for desserts, so I had to try it, yeah. It's really fresh, yeah. I haven't eaten solid food in a week. Just soft food, but now it's nice to actually bite something. Well, I'm always in people's faces, so I'm this close to them, putting makeup on them. And again, I would keep my mouth shut because I didn't want them to see my mouth and I didn't want them to judge me based on that. And now it's like, I can't wait. I said, I'm probably never gonna close my mouth again. I already feel more confident. I think like having like a smile that you can be proud of like changes everything. I think I look more welcoming now. I thought the dentist was like super thorough. He kept taking it out, putting it back in, taking it out, putting it back in, taking it, and I was like, it looked good the first time, but he wasn't satisfied with that, and I appreciate that because like he has a better eye than me for teeth, obviously. So if he didn't think I was ready and it wasn't perfect, then he wasn't gonna put it in my face. So I was super impressed with that. I was like, wow, this is taking a long time, but in the best way. It should take a long time. Like you shouldn't just throw a set of new teeth in and send me on my way. I think now like I can't help but smile.